In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you all how you can easily delete your Snapchat account permanently. Hey there everyone, this is Harshad back again from Tech and Tips, and let's get started with this tutorial. Open your Snapchat app. Click on the profile menu located on the left side of the interface. Click on the settings button. Scroll down until you find delete your account option. Once you find the delete your account option, click on it. It will redirect you to a page where they will ask you to log in your account. Simply enter your login details and log in into your account. Enter your password and click next so that you can get logged in into your account. Here they will show you a warning stating that it will take 30 days to get your accounts deleted, and this is how you can get your account deleted in 30 days.